Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I recently purchased some shoes from SheIn, and the size is right, but the straps need to be adjusted. They're currently a bit loose, so I have to add some holes for the buckles on the shoes, as you see here. I'm going to show y'all the method I used, which only requires a couple of art supplies that I already have. This can be used for other things as well. The two supplies that I'm using in this video are an owl, AWL, awl, and any writing utensil to mark down where you need to add the hole. Make sure it's something that is visible on the material that you're marking on. So this shoe was already measured. So the next pair of shoes, you'll see how I was able to get the measurements. Once the area has been marked, align the awl with the marking and where the other holes are so that it's even. Then take the awl and press into the strap in a twisting motion. Once you get through that, continue to twist the awl back and forth as you go through the strap so that the buckle will be able to fit, well, the prong on the buckle. I'll show this method a few times so it's easier to understand, but make sure that you're working on a surface that you don't mind getting damaged. So I'm using a cutting mat, which I highly recommend. I use it for all my projects. But you can use things you already have, such as cardboard, which is something that I used to use before I got a cutting mat. So I'm continuing to still push the awl forward while using a twisting motion so that we can make the space in the hole big enough for the prong to fit into. And I'm just going to fast forward through this and then cut to when it's done, then go to when I use the other pair of shoes so you can see the whole process. So now that it's complete, I'll show you what it looks like. Hello! How you doing? Whoa! Tessa approved! So for this pair of sandals, I'm going to show you the full process of what I did, how I got the measurements. And so right here, I'm just going to show you what it looks like now before I make those adjustments. So this is what it's looking like, and I have to alter each strap of the sandals. So let's go. Alright, so I put them on and I'm putting the buckle to where it comes to on my foot, and then I'm going to mark them with the utensil that I have to mark these down. Here I made the marking. If you can see that white dot on the strap there, and now I'm going to align the awl with the holes that's already in the strap. Then, yes, I'm going to align them, and then I'm going to press into the material and then use that same twisting motion that I showed before. And yeah, repeat the same steps I did the first time, but hopefully this one will be more detailed and easier to understand. So yeah, I'm just showing you that the cutting mat, there's no serious marks in there, no holes. So if you can get a cutting mat, get one. So I'm just pushing the awl forward, still in the twisting motion. Always do the twisting motion the entire time. And you see how the hole looks on that side. And then you do the same on the other side, just to make sure that it's spacious enough for the prong to go through. So this is what it looks like after doing all that. Now I'm just gonna put the thing in the buckle and it's ready to go. So I'll show what I did for the other ones as well. Here's the marking. So I'm going to repeat the same steps again, and then I'll fast forward through all of that and then show you what it looks like after all the alterations have been made. So this shoe is finished. I'm going to show one more time how I did it on the other shoe. The utensil that I used to do the markings got on the material of the sandal a little bit, but that's okay. I can just wipe that off. If you want to know what I did use, it's called a Conté Crayon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I'll put whatever I used in the description box, so please check that out. So I'm gonna show what I did one more again. Oh, but I also wanted to mention that whatever writing utensil that you do use to make the markings, to make sure that you can also easily wipe it off or erase it when you don't need that marking anymore. Okay? So this time I am showing a close-up, well, I did that already, but an even closer, hopefully more detailed look of how I do this, or how I did this. And yeah, so you start off on the inside and then you twist and then you go to the other side, because it's gonna look, the hole's going to appear smaller on the other side. So you just go back and forth until it's decent enough to where the prong of the buckle will be able to fit. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. So I'll fast forward. I apologize for my crusty looking nails. I don't know what happened there, but they're looking fine now, don't worry. You're not worried. But yes. So I'll fast forward and then show what the shoes look like at the end, and then I'm gonna wrap up this video. So this is what it looks like. I'm not showing my toes because I don't want to show my toes on camera. But these are the final shoes. Hopefully you found this tutorial to be helpful. Let me know if you tried it out or if there's any other tutorials you want me to do. But that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.